in Portsmouth, Hampton. So what else we have here? Oh, we got OTIS. Let's go. Got some OTISs to run. For you fire alarm fans.
That's an emergency.
See which one's coming first.
You never know what this is. That's the thing.
Can I talk with the music to avoid copyright? These things are kind of slow. Here, we got this one. Let the camera away just in case there's people. We're good. Let's go to 5. Oh, let's go up. Let's go. With the beat. Alright, here we go.
That was probably for 1 hour.
See the traction.
They're renovating.
These are nice.
Yeah, they probably sprayed air freshener in here. Let's only do this car just to avoid, you know.
Yeah. Let me see my screen.
H1?
Yeah. We're at 5.
Okay,
2014.
that's just one, right? Okay.
Okay. Oh. 1. Where's G?
Oh.
Oh!
So
Coming down. Sorry. What? 1?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm an auto enthusiast. We just came in here because it's cold outside. Well, this place is renovating.
Let's just get out of here.
Yeah, I don't want to get busted.
I'm not doing anything wrong. It's...
Oh, wow. Look at this.
That's being used as a source car photo.
Okay. Well, there goes that one.
Adult is to try
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
There goes that. This one's like propped open. It's probably an independent service.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Let's go.
Hi.
Let's go.
There it goes. That's it.